How affiliate marketing works, step by step process. Even if you're a beginner, you will learn how to avoid the mistake a lot of people make in affiliate marketing. And if you watch to the end of this video, I will show you proven blueprint of how you can start to make money using your affiliate marketing platform. All right. With that being said, let's get into it. My name is Evis Jamoni. I teach people better use of internet to reshape their finance. How affiliate marketing works, we'll be looking at these three things here. How to avoid the rat race. Secondly, what affiliate marketing is not about. Then lastly, how to make money in affiliate marketing. Avoiding the rat race. Don't follow what 95% affiliate marketers preach. You have to stand tall from your competition, and this is how most people do their affiliate marketing. First, they get started with affiliate marketing platform. They watch the video courses on their dashboard. They start convincing people on Facebook and TikTok to get started with them. All right. But shortly, they start complaining no sales and then searching for YouTube videos on how to make money with affiliate marketing because them are not yet making money for themselves. Okay. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Let's dive into it. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending product you love to your friends, all right, and on purchase you earn a sales commission. Now in affiliate marketing there are three parties that are involved. Number one is the affiliate network, or you call it the platform. Secondly is the affiliate or the merchant, which is you. Then lastly is the prospect, which is the person you are selling to. Okay. Now you need to understand that these three parties, they harmonize and they work together. Supposedly, which is the chain before how this thing is being done before, is that you see an affiliate marketing platform, they run an advertisement, all right, to bring people, which is prospect, to their platform. And when people come to their platform and make sales, then they will make all the money for themselves. Okay. But in modern days now, what they do, instead of running advertisements here, you as a merchant, you as an affiliate, you partner with this platform. Okay. You help them to do the work of this ad. Okay. You are replacing this ad network. Ad network are people like Google, Facebook, Instagram. All right. This is ad network. So you are doing the work that they're supposed to do. So the money that this platform is supposed to pay the ad network, that is what they are paying you as an affiliate. So your job is to bring a prospect to this platform, and when they make any purchase through using your affiliate link, you earn a sales commission, which is percentage. We call it also here. You earn commission from the sales. Okay. But if you see you here, since your audience have known you, you can just talk to them once and then they make a purchase using your affiliate link without doing much conviction. So it saves time, energy, and effort. All right. Now, how to make money in affiliate marketing? There are ways to approach it. Okay. And the best way to approach it is number one, your organic marketing. And then second one is the paid marketing. Now, organic content creation is you providing content, okay, creating content for free in social media platform, and the content you are creating must solve your audience pain, must solve your audience problem. All right. Then second one is this paid advertisement. You have to pay money on Google, pay Facebook or Instagram to promote to them. Okay. Before affiliate marketing makes sales, you must establish the KLT. Okay. The know, like, and trust factor, which delight your audience to purchase the course. All right. And as well to register through your affiliate link. So what then is the KLT, which is the know, like, and trust? Okay. How to be it with your audience. Okay. And this can be achieved through organic content creation using TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and your website to create content that your audience will like, and then they're going to bond and know you more. Okay. Now, as your audience begins to know you, like you, and trust you, sales resistance will disappear. You start to welcome joy of sales and making money in affiliate marketing because your audience have known you, okay, through the content that you are creating. All right. Now, to get started with affiliate marketing and access a proven blueprint that convert your prospects today, click the link below and then state your email address, and you will love the training video to be delivered to you, and then hit the link on this video description. You're going to get the video delivered on your email so you can go through it and then you get started with affiliate marketing. I'm gonna guide you through and show you how it works. The link is kept in this video description. See you on the inside.